Okay, so today I'm just going to show you some of our products that are designed dedicated to the agricultural industry. So we've got the Easyfarm365 wash gun here that's got low trigger force technology. So it means it's really easy to pull the trigger, and it just makes, if you're doing continuous long amounts of work, it's easy to pressure wash your machinery and things like that. It's also got a quick release coupling on it. So what I'm going to do is attach some of these other products to it that have spigots on. We've got our long cast lance here, which is great for just blasting real bits of dirt that are really caked onto machinery. You can just blast it with that and it'll take it clean off before we start doing the main wash. You can adjust the flow on this as well, so you can have it more as a jet, more powerful, and then you can back it off a little bit with the handle. And also we'll be using this twin foam lance, which has got a switch valve, so you can easily twist it to switch between foaming mode and rinsing mode. So what we'll do is we'll just blast the dirt off the tractor with the long cast foam lance, and then we'll quickly and easily switch to the twin foam lance to foam it. We'll just let that settle in and lift all the dirt off and then rinse it off. Okay, so just going to attach the long cast lance now, dead easy. Just put it in the quick release, just pops in there, and we'll just give the tractor a blast and get rid of some of that stubborn dirt before we give it a foam. So, as you can see, nice and easy to use. Got a nice comfortable handle here that I can use to adjust the flow, so let's go and get some of that stubborn dirt off. Okay, so we've blasted off some of the more stubborn dirt with the long cast lance. Now we're going to switch to the twin foam lance. Just easily slots into the quick release there. Now the main benefit of this is the ability just to switch over with a switch over valve from foam to rinse. So what we'll do is we'll foam the tractor, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then just rinse it all off. This saves a lot of time, so you're not having to switch between lances. Sometimes you might have a separate foam head on a different lance, but this just saves a lot of time, so you can just quickly switch from one to the other. Okay, so when you're switching to foam with the twin foam lance, the foam head on the end of the lance is lowering the pressure, so that's creating the Venturi effect in the chemical injector on the machine you're using. And this helps to draw the chemical into the water stream. It hits a pad inside the head, which agitates it to create the foam. Now you do need all the correct nozzle sizes for the flow and pressure of the machine that you're working on, and we do have a chart on the website which can help you select all the correct products that you need to make this work. So take a look, it's dead easy to use, you just need to know the flow and pressure.